What's the meaning of crosswise? Crosswise. Crosswise.
Crosswise. Crosswise. Crosswise means being situated or placed across something else, forming a right angle. For example, if you place a book crosswise on top of another book, it would be perpendicular to it. It can also refer to something that goes or extends from one side to the other side of something else. This could be a bridge going across a river or a line drawn crosswise on a piece of paper. Overall, crosswise describes a position or movement that intersects with another object at a right angle or goes from one end to another.